Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Prabha from Price Action Expert. As you can see, this is a brief video. This will explain you about correlation, multi-pair analysis, how to trade using single pair by combining many other pairs. For example, I'm going to concentrate today only on GBP CAD, so you guys all could understand how to analyze the pair, how to take various things into consideration for analyzing the pair. I'll try to keep it as simple as possible so you all could understand. So I'm going to analyze GBP CAD here. If you are if you have seen my YouTube videos or free videos which I have given to you all, you should know how to plot these lines. I have marked 2017 here, this rectangle here, 2017, first quarter, second quarter, third and fourth quarter. This is first 6 months of 2017, and this is second 6 months of 2017. This is 2018, 18 first 6 months and second 6 months. These are all the lines. This yellow line is the opening candle of 2018, which I have marked here. These are all 6 months highs and lows, which I'm going to explain you in a short while. See, if I'm going to trade this bar, you should. This is must actually. You should do this setup. I mean, you have to draw these lines. You have to place it before you're trading. This will be very very helpful. You should not ignore this. You can see the price actually how it reacts in those areas very nicely. See here, these are all pros. 1, 2, 3, so many rejections here only to go out. See here, this is actually yearly high. This is 2017 highs here. This is actually a low. This is the low of 2017. This is the low of second 6 months low. This is the low. This is the high here. It broke actually yearly highs only to drop from there. So this is a fake movement. People thought it was a breakout. It will go up. Actually, it ranged here a bit, and from there it dropped, and it's ranging here now. So you should have read all my patterns. If you didn't read the patterns, I mean there are 8 patterns which I have posted plus extra trap and other few opening candle patterns. I will suggest you to complete the pattern. Then it will be very clear to you while I'm explaining this. So I'm going to explain you about GBP CAD. So I'm going to trade in GBP pair. So what I have done is I've taken GBP pairs here and I've placed here. See here, GBP CHF, GBP USD, GBP CAD, which I'm going to trade, which I'm going to analyze. I mean, I'm using multi-pair analysis here. Multi-pair in the sense I'm going to trade GBP CAD. So I'm taking all the GBP pairs to correlate, see if we are in the correct direction. This will give you some good entries and good ideas and so many clearance. So you could be able to clarify and you could come to a decision. See here, GBP, JPY, GBP, New Zealand. This is enough. Actually, I have taken 4 or 5 pairs here, which altogether we will combine and we will discuss, and based on these pairs, I'm going to take a trade on GBP CAD here. You can even trade in JPY some other pairs by using these pairs. I mean GBP CHF, USD, etc. here. So what I've done is I've been concentrating on one pair, GBP CAD. As you, as you know that I've been posting analysis and I've been updating how the pair how the pair reacts and how the pair is going to drop from here. I'm expecting to drop from here to here like almost 800 or 700 pips. The market is here actually. Like to reach here like almost 800 pips. This could possibly happen during Brexit or in the upcoming days of the first week of January or so of 2019. So this is my first voice video for you guys to make you all understand. There will be many more videos. I'll try to post and try to explain all your doubts. So I'll take it one at a time. If you have any doubts, just ping me anytime. I'll reply you whenever I see and as fast as possible. And so let's move on to the GBP CAD. See, I'll try to explain what's here. Yes, this is, you can see this is 2017 here. This is the highs which I told already, which broke, and it again it broke down. It almost went up. Just hold on a second. Went up, dropped down to retest. From there, after business went down. It slightly misses. See, when it tries to break down, there is some decision making process here. Trade has been deciding. Actually, this is daily chart. They'll be deciding for days whether to go up or not, and decided to come down. Again, from here it goes up to retest previous yearly high, but it misses actually by few pips and it drops. Now it's all ranging. You can see here it's in ranging market. Let me clear this. As you can see, this is the second 6 months from here to here. 2017 highs will try to break here. After that, it broke 2017 overall highs. Then broke, went up, down. There is a little decision here. Again, it came down. Again, there was a decision here. It went up, tried to retest here, but it couldn't do. Again, it came down. Now retested the 6 months highs of second 6 months highs. I mean, of 2017, and it came down. Actually, it tries to break the first 6 months highs. This is the first 6 months high and the 2018 high actually. This six this was 6 months low here, which you're drawing here. It tries to break that, but it couldn't. Went up and it tried so many times here. It couldn't break. After that, it went up. These are all the patterns This is actually ranging. This is ranging market pattern actually. This is pattern 7. You can see I have mentioned how to trade the ranging market pattern. It is very easy if you have combined these elements. You would have traded it very easily. See where the market actually ended here. This is actually 6 months highs. See here. And one more thing is this is also second 6 months high up 2017 here. This is where it starts. See here. I have drawn the line from here to here. And these both are same very crucial area. So we would expect a drop from here. That's the reason why it drops here. When it touches that area, I'm moving to shorter time frame. See here, when it touches and it drops like almost 140 pips. So they're likely to drop. So I'll move on to some little time frames, I mean shorter time frames. See, this is a pattern actually, it happens all the time. I told you already, see, one, two, three, four, there are so many resistance here. What is the normal psychology if a trader now? It broke the highs and it went up and it closed it. So it tries to go up. This is breakout trading. This is what normal trading psychology. This is what the market makes they want to think. They want to make us think actually. So what happens is from here it will try to go down. You can see in history. I mean you can see in the past prices. Let's see here. See one. This is a pattern actually, which I got to pattern 6, which I explained you with type 4 types. You can see that and it will be very helpful for you while you're trading. See here. There is a huge resistance, it went up, broken, and from there it dropped down, and it came down. It happens in many time frames, you can see that. So usually what happens is, initially a drop happens, after that it ranges, see here, it ranges a bit, after that it tries to go up, trapping your traders, and from there it drops. These are the places which I marked and I gave signals actually. This is a sell area, many profited from here, from here to here. From here I gave buy actually. It should have been like 500 to 600 pips if you hold that. This is the area where you've been shorted. I've been waiting here. And it is taking a bit longer to drop. See, same is happening here. All the resistance here. It went up and gradually it will come down only, as we saw in smaller time frames. These are all patterns. See one first pattern type 1, 2, 3. Searching for liquidity. From there it drops. Most likely it drops and it forms. It ranges here, it goes up, and it might try to come to the place where it started actually. There's a very good chance it might reach here. Let me clear this. Okay, fine. See, my point here is how to use multi-pair and correlation. Let me show you. When actually yesterday, I mean 31st, what happened is the pair kept on buying. See, just take GBP USD, what happened, you can see. It did the same thing, it kept on buying only to drop there. Only to drop from here actually. See, this is also a pattern. I already got you. See here. I take it as 1, 2, 3, looking for liquidity drop, or it could be a pricing wedge, or it's a compression. See, one, two, it is very, 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 very small. So many small, 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 small. See, stops would be here actually, usually, right? So trading trend lines should be here. There is so there is a pattern here. Stops should be here. It broke, closed, and drops, and eventually it's a big fake out. It will come here, something like that. It will go here, and it will go down from here to the starting point. This is how we mark the zones, right? This is where it broke out. It retested and went up. This is a buy area. So my point was, see, actually, H4, if you see it is also compressing, compression, compression, searching for liquidity, and then from here it goes up. Okay, so short term, but in long term, when you see, just a minute, clear it up. Yes. If you see, actually it's in sell only, it's in huge sell. So you travel in that direction only, always travel in the same direction. See, yeah, there is a huge, huge, huge. This is where actually it broke. That is here, from here. Okay, I will shut it out. If you see in a larger time frame from here, this is where actually it broke, and it tries to go up to manipulate and tries to come down. If you look into this area closely, I'll show you. See here. From here, actually, the drop started, right? And from here, this is the place where it all started. So this will be your first retracement. It touches, it comes down. Eventually, it will come down here. So the stops should be here. Went up to hit the stops, and if there was any pending by orders, it should have triggered that one. Now it's coming down. So this is the core area you can see. My point is that you can see this is very good sell area. See here, same in GBP gap. There is also one more sell area. It's all coming together. I hope you can get my point actually. There is a sell order here. There is a selling pattern here in same pair actually. See GBP USD, GBP CAD. Let me check GBP CHF. Showing this. See, same, almost same. This is where the initial first retracement, right? See here, yellow line. These are all the stops. Broke up. When it broke up, you should have known that same. See, in all the three pairs at the same time, I mean, during exact time, it all happened. GBP USD same, GBP CHF same manipulation, GBP CAD also. So when you get three core areas in three pairs, I mean, in which pair you are trading? For trading in GBP, you're getting same ideas and same signals in these pairs. That means it's a clear indication that market is going to trap you and it is going to drop. So all you have to do is wait and let the market do its manipulation. After that, you can enter. You can even enter now. It's a good thing. See, this is a core area. From here, banks or any financial institutions, they should have entered already. The thing is, if the price goes above here, it will try to go another 100 pips or 150 pips. That is the recovery strategy actually. See here, keep it here like above 20 pips or so. You can have a buy order here. When it breaks, usually not break like with big intensity or big momentum. It will go very slowly. From here, it will come here. This will be your entry point actually. It comes down here or from here. After that, it will try to push up, forming certain patterns, and it will go up. I mean, for recovery, same goes here. But it is very highly doubtful it will go up. See, uh, there is a huge barrier here, so it is unlikely to go up. Usually, that's what the history says. So many orders here, so many stop losses. It's all triggered and it's all coming down. Perfect manipulation. See the same thing happening in GBP, JPY also. See here, there's a signal here, GBP, New Zealand. Same here. So compression pattern. So 1, 2, 3. One, first one, type 1. Two, one, third one, looking for liquidity, and it's dropping. So there is a stop here, build above. So likely to drop from there. CHF, same which I explained to you already. JPY almost same. PAUD, see, it's in core area too. Just retracement is here actually, which I have marked. Try to break these highs, went up, only to drop from there. So all the GBP pairs they are pointing towards sell. So this is how we take our entry based on multi-pair analysis of the same pair and we decide. If you want a few more confirmations, you can see like CAD. If you are, I mean, for example, if I'm trading GBP CAD, GBP is what I'm trying to explain all this time. You can also take CAD as, for example, USD CAD, AUD CAD, and all those CAD pairs and Canadian dollar pair, and look for any buy entries in the CAD. There is a buy entry in that, so there is a double confirmation that GBP is going down and CAD is moving up. That will be very, very, very positive correlation, using which you can able to enter and make profits. I hope you all understand. If you have any doubts, just ask me. Thank you. Wish you all a happy new year. May this year be be of very great, and may you all become great traders. I wish you all the success. Please do watch this video again and again and read all my files again and again. If you have any doubts, ask me. Okay, take care. See you until next video. Prabha from Price Action Expert. Yeah, thank you.